Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to be installing a theme on your website. Now, a theme is basically the design for your website, what it's going to look like. Every single website has a specific theme and a specific design, even our website right now. If we start at the back end here where we left off and we go up to our domain name and click on Visit Site, we can see that this is our current theme. There's not much going on, but there's still a font, there's still color, there's still a page in here, there's something going on. Now, there are thousands of different themes to choose from, and the vast majority of them are free. The problem with a theme is that even with a theme like this, if I install a new one, this is still all I'm going to have. However, if I install a theme with a starter kit, I'm going to get multiple pages, I'm going to get a pre-design, and that entire starter kit is going to work like a template. And we can use that template to start making fine adjustments of adding in our product descriptions, our contact information, start writing our blog articles on there, and it's gonna save us so much time and we're gonna get a much more professional look. So what we're gonna do is not only install a theme, but we're gonna install a theme with a starter kit so we get way ahead of the curve and we start off with a very professional design. Let's go ahead and do it. So we're gonna go ahead and go back. Just move up to your domain name and click on Dashboard. Then we're gonna go to the left and go down to Appearance and then click on Themes. Now in here you already have a couple of themes installed and it's possible to get multiple themes for your website, though you won't need to. We're gonna go and click on Add New Theme. And if you just start scrolling through here, you can see that there's almost an endless array of themes. But again, none of these themes are gonna come with a starter kit. So instead, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click on the search box and search for Sydney. Here we are, so we're gonna go down and click on Install and then Activate. So this is where the magic starts to happen. As you can see, it says Welcome to Sydney, the free version, which is all we need, by the way. If we go down here, it says Starter Sites. This is where we start grabbing our template so we can start off with a professional design ourselves rather than building up everything from scratch, which takes ages and it doesn't get any better than this. So let's click on Starter Sites. And now we're no longer looking at just themes. Now we're looking at starter sites. So what you see is actually what you get. So for example, this is the main one. If I click on Preview Demo and I scroll through here, we're actually going to be getting all of this. We're going to get the home, the blog, the services, the about, these boxes, the images, all of the text, all of this will be included in the starter site. With a normal theme, you're gonna get to see a display like this, but nothing is included. There would be no headline, there would be no boxes, there would be no pages, it would all just be blank. So that is why we go for a starter kit like this. It saves us so much time. Now I'm gonna click on Cancel. And while you're free to choose any theme in here, do note that some of these are pro, but there's no need to use the pro version. The free ones are gonna do you just perfectly well. There is a couple of free ones here that we can choose from. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down towards this fashion shop and click on Preview Demo. This is going to be the starter kit we're going to be using, and the reason is very simple. This starter kit is amazing. It comes with everything we need. It has a home page, which we're gonna need, an about page, which we're gonna turn into a contact page, a blog, which we're going to use to write blog articles to drive traffic to our website, and then a shop. And this is so important. This shop is gonna allow us to sell our products and start making money off of our website. And while this might not make a lot of sense to you right now because we're not selling clothes, it's so easy to use this as a template and start changing up things. For example, we can use this button, we can use this headline, and we can set a price here and then just change this image to our product, and suddenly we're making something that's our own, but starting off from a professional design already, using this as a template. Scrolling down, there's gonna be multiple things here we're gonna want to delete, we're gonna want to change and do different things off of. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you the entire design. So know that you're free to choose any theme in here and they're all gonna do you well. But if you wanna use the easy route here, go ahead and choose the fashion shop theme, the same as mine, and follow me step by step. And I'll show you exactly where to drag and drop things, and we'll build this up together. It's gonna save you a lot of time and effort. So let's go up to where it says import and click there. And we're gonna want to import everything. So click on import. Okay, so it's imported successfully. It might take a couple of minutes, but luckily we got time. So I'm gonna go down and click on view site, and we're gonna check out our new website. So this is the way it looks like right now. It says Blue Light Defenders up here. We have a menu, there's nothing going on here, but we have a search bar, we have a login, and we have a cart. We have buttons, we have images. We actually have a website right now, but of course we're not selling clothes. This isn't a functional website, but we have a template, and having a template to design off of, that's gonna save us a tremendous amount of time. So this is really the shortcut to putting up professional websites in no time at all. So all we're gonna do is go ahead and go back, click up here, go to dashboard. We're gonna start at the back end of our website, and then in the next lecture, we are gonna start customizing this template and make it our own and make it really professional to start selling products, driving traffic, and getting customers. See you in the next lecture.